going on, guys? I'm just in this little town off the Pacific Coast Highway right now, and I am about to cook dinner. I've been working all day. I got a lot done. I was finally got all my receipts scanned in. For all the inventory that I bought, all the books, all the shoes, everything. I got all the tax information is done. It's in the computer, so I can put the receipts in the bag. That ocean water is freezing. I was out there tonight or earlier today, and man, it is cold. But I'll probably hop in it tonight. Number one, to shower. Number two, for the health benefits of getting in the cold, even though it sucks. You feel great afterwards, and it boosts your immune system. And number three, I'm terrified. I'm terrified of sharks. And this is like, well, we're north of San Francisco now, but that's supposed to be like the hottest area for sharks. So, gonna go in there, especially at nighttime. It's even scarier. Big part of this trip is to get over my fears. So, yeah, this is definitely one of my biggest fears. One more quick little thing, check this out. Indoors, bathroom, super clean, soap, paper towels, living the life. This is where I was working today. This is where my car is right now, and I'm doing online arbitrage, which I'm really thankful that my phone broke, because I learned so much about doing online arbitrage. But I mean, essentially, I'll show you guys a graph real quick. Essentially what I do is I buy low, sell high, just like buying property. So if you look on here, I've been making tutorial videos all day for my friends too. If you look here, it gives me information, and you just look at the graph and you see this is the price goes down low. You buy it when it's low, you sell it when it's high. This book I wouldn't necessarily do because it's not that big of a gap, but whenever the price drops, I buy them up and I sell them for more later. So I've been doing that all day. I've been really just organizing everything and figuring out my budget. I'm inventory rich right now. I have a lot of books that are going to sell for a lot, but I've also been spending a ton of money on inventory. But I am poor in real life. I calculated how much money I can spend on food for the rest of the month, and it's like $5 per day. Oh, and check this out. $5 per day for the rest of the month. And local crab is my favorite food. Local crab, $10 a pound. I'm pretty sure that's like super cheap, and it's local too, so you know it's going to be really good because they just got it out the water. So I'll probably actually do that, and then I'll have to spend like $2 per day, which I know sounds crazy, but I actually think I can do it, because this is from last night. These lentils and this rice, and it'll fill you up. And what I do in the morning, I have tons of coffee. I drink coffee in the morning. Don't really eat anything all day. I might have something for breakfast if I'm feeling it, and then I'll just work all day, and most of the time I'm good. And at night, like, this fills up your stomach quick. But went to the grocery market today, and I use this to keep my food cool. So I found chicken. Oh, there's my beer right here. It's nice and warm still. Hasn't gotten cold yet. But I found some $4 chicken. It's low. They have like a ton of local meat here. I guess it makes sense because I was driving and there was lots of cows. But they have like local lamb meat, like crab. They have a lot. Not sure if the chicken's local or not, but it's already seasoned. That's a lot for $4. I got the other one. There's another one in there for later for $3.50. And I saw that and I was like, man, that's so much better than just lentils and rice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook these mushrooms up, put the chicken in, and get that going. I'll probably just sleep here tonight. Like this lot is vacant. People here were super nice today. I'm still connected to the Wi-Fi. If I wanted to, I could watch a movie or something. and there's no signs that say no sleeping overnight. Now the lot that way at the grocery store, there are signs that say don't sleep overnight, but none here. And if I go to sleep soon when the sun goes down, wake up when the sun comes up, go back in the coffee shop, work there all day, and then have crab at night. It's a coffee shop and a restaurant, and they're only open on Wednesdays. Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow night, I mean, they're only open for dinner on Wednesdays, so tomorrow night I could go in there and get crab. And then be limited to $2 per day for the rest of the month. But yeah, I sat down and I crunched numbers today, and I'm only going to use a debit card for personal use for now on. So I don't go into debt. I haven't gotten into debt yet personally. My business is in huge debt right now. But that's just because that's the name of the game. You got to buy inventory. In order to sell on Amazon, you have to buy inventory. So I've been spending tons and tons and tons of money on that, but it's all money that's going to come back to me. So business and personal money don't mix. But yeah, so this is a spot for tonight. For those of you guys who don't know, I know new people are watching this all the time. This is what I use in my windows at night to block everything out. I have this. On one side it's Reflectix, and then on the other side it's black cloth. And the way this works is it fits perfectly in the door right here, like that. And yeah, looks like tinted windows now. You can't even tell the difference. And it keeps it kind of semi-insulated, not really. I do it more just so people can't look in for privacy, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna get this cooked up and get to sleep. Peace out, guys.